Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to play Stardew Valley on Nintendo Switch. To play Stardew Valley on your Nintendo Switch, purchase the game from the Nintendo eShop, and then you can play it as a single player experience or with up to 3 friends via Nintendo Switch Online for remote play or local communication play for nearby players. On the Switch, you'll use the Joy-Cons to move your character, harvest crops with tools like the hoe and watering can, and interact with townspeople to build relationships. Getting started. Purchase the game. Buy Stardew Valley from the Nintendo eShop on your Switch. Choose your farm. Select a farm layout like the standard or forest farm to start your new game, as each has unique features. Customize your character. Personalize your farmer before beginning the game. Understand the controls. A button to select an item or action. B button for exit menus or cancel actions. ZL and ZR buttons to switch through different tabs in your menu such as inventory, social, or skills, and Y button to move an item from your inventory or use a tool. Gameplay basics. Farming. Use your hoe to till soil, plant seeds, and water your crops with the watering can. Collecting resources. Use your axe to clear wood, the pickaxe to break rocks, and the scythe to clear grass. Interacting with townsfolk. Visit the town to meet villagers. Villagers. Build relationships and participate in festivals. Leveling up skills. Earn experience in farming, foraging, mining, or fishing to unlock new recipes and professions. Managing your energy. Keep an eye on your character's energy meter, as many actions consume energy. Using the menu, press the inventory button, usually the X button, to access your gear, skills, social relationships, and collections. For multiplayer or local play, invite friends who are physically near you to join the game using local communication, no subscription required. For online play, join remote farms hosted by friends by using your Nintendo Switch Online subscription. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.